How do you properly break the ice? I would say it's easy as 1, 2, 3. Now, when I say easy as 1, 2, 3, that is one of our icebreakers here at Elevate Experiences. Actually, you can click the link below and learn more about it. We've taken the heavy lifting and made it really, really easy for you. But let me tell you about crowd engagement. It is the #1 thing we get commented on our YouTube channel and our events, whether they're virtual or in person, is how do you get the folks engaged and excited and connected and thoughtful and really engaged with a topic that you're wanting to bring? Well, whether it's a large group with thousands of people or even a couple hundred people, down to a team meeting that you're putting on, you want to have a moment where you're actually connecting with your audience, aka the folks that are in the room. You don't know what folks are going through when they enter an experience. You could be at a town hall, you could be at a big corporate gathering, and folks might come in with their arms crossed or a little bit sad or maybe really, really excited and fired up, and their brain isn't there either way of that spectrum. But you want to get them engaged with the topic you have at hand. So easy as 1, 2, 3 is incredibly easy. Here's how it works. Is you take a question with 3 potential answers, and you have the audience respond with 1, 2, or 3. That's it. Now, those questions you choose are important as it connects to your theme of the event. And we take your theme, we take the first 3 or 4 we might do in an interactive experience, and then we give you the opportunity to cater the rest of those. So if you do click the link below and you pick up this easy as 1, 2, 3 game from Elevate, we give you the opportunity to have ones that are already done for you, but then also ones you can customize based on your topic, whether it's a small group of people or thousands of folks at your next event. Now, easy as 1, 2, 3 is something that, like the title says, extremely easy but incredibly impactful. So enjoy this icebreaker as you dive into easy as 1, 2, 3.